Last week, I covered the new formula completion feature, Copilot in Excel, license is required. I'm going to take it a step further because last week I did text, I did dates, and I did numbers. I'm going to do something extremely advanced today, and I want to see if the formula completion can get it right. More good news, I have a laptop that I don't have with me right now, but I noticed that I had the formula completion on my laptop last night, but I am recording on my desktop and it just hasn't hit my Excel desktop yet. So I'm still using Excel on the web, which is not even an issue for me. I actually like Excel on the web also, and the desktop I like. But more importantly, let's get right to this. Will Excel formula completion with Copilot pick up something advanced? Here's the example we have. I've got a list over in column A of different sneakers we have, and I've got the total revenue in column C that we made, 320 for that very first one in row 2. We sold 2 units. I don't have the profit that we made sitting in this data, and I want to know it. Well, those 2 units that we sold, they happen to be over in column H and I. They were $100 each. So 320 minus the $200 should give us a profit of 120. And the next one down in row 3, the 3 units at 110 each should be 330. Profit should be 270, 600 minus the 330. Let's see if we can get Copilot predictive formulas to figure this out. Really important, make sure your data header rows are very descriptive of what it is. That will help Copilot out. So if I had possibly units sold, something else type that wasn't descriptive, Copilot's going to have a hard time figuring it out, but I've got great column headers here. So I'm going to type in the word profit. In real life, if I wanted to do this, this would be equal C2 minus, and then I would do parentheses. I would have to do D2 times XLOOKUP A2, and in my XLOOKUP, it would be column I is the lookup, and then return column J, and then a comma, and either a 0 or a blank if it doesn't exist. So it would be a pretty detailed XLOOKUP. But let's just do equal symbol, and let's see if Copilot, with its predictive Excel function, can get it right. And it actually looked like it did, and I'm honestly just amazed by this. So it did C2 minus D2 times the XLOOKUP, just what I actually just said, A2, not found, perfect. I would have done a blank, no big deal, not found works. Let's press enter. 120 is correct. 320 minus 200 is 120. The next one, if you recall, I said should be 270. That was 600 minus 330. So this is working. So yes, I'm going to pull that down. How amazing is that? To me, it is extremely amazing. And again, there is E2. There is the formula bar at the top on what Copilot did, doing an X lookup with me just pressing the equal symbol and having great header rows in my data. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your support. My online training is available for Teams, Copilot, Excel, and OneNote. Have a wonderful day.